Do you have a favorite pair of boots that you love but just aren't comfortable and hurt your feet? Whether they're too small or you have blisters or bunions, you're not alone, but every step should feel effortless, not painful. And that's why I wanted to share Eagle's new boot stretcher so you can finally enjoy those shoes you love without sacrificing comfort. Let's get to it. To set up, make sure to untie your laces in order to access the area you want to stretch. Do note that this is a boot stretcher that widens the toe box. It does not lengthen the boot like a shoe stretcher or two-way stretcher. Next, you can achieve easier and better results by using a boot stretching spray. However, it is optional. Simply spray inside the boots on the area you want widened, which is probably going to be the toe box area. Like I said earlier, if you struggle with uncomfortable bunions or corns, easily make room by using the included spot stretching plugs. Simply insert the plug or plugs into the wooden toe block before inserting. Also, consider subscribing if you want more leather tips like this in your feed. And if you want to get notified the next time I put out a video, click the bell icon. Now gently insert your boot stretcher into your boots. Make sure not to put pressure on the metal rod, and if it's too tight, simply loosen the laces further. Ensure no weight or pressure is put on the metal rod as it can snap or break. Next, widen the stretcher. Simply turn it clockwise to widen until snug. Once snug, twist 2 to 3 more times after that to begin the stretch. This will widen the toe box and make it more comfortable to wear. For best results, you want to wait at least 8 hours or until desired results. Feel free to repeat as necessary. After that, loosen by simply turning counterclockwise and ensure you don't put pressure on the rod when loosening. Then gently pull up and remove. It's that simple. Now you guys can wear your favorite pair of boots pain-free. Stop living in discomfort and head over to eagleshoecare.com and use my code AVUMMIES to get 20% off for a quality made boot stretcher that you can effortlessly and endlessly use on any pair of boots. This boot stretcher was a game changer for my boot collection, and I hope that it helps you guys too. Be sure to like and subscribe as always, and if you like this video, I'd highly suggest these ones next. Remember to love your leather.